Hey everybody, welcome to Guitar Excellence. In this lesson, we're going to be going over the basic techniques that go with funk. The exercise sounds like this. Cool. So for this exercise, we're going to be working on three things. The first thing is your 16th note pulse. Specifically practicing to a metronome. The second thing is your muting technique. So placing your hand on all the strings, making sure every string is muted 100%, usually with 2 or more fingers. Also try not to get any harmonics when you do this. It's going to take some practice. A lot of people, when they start off, they accidentally press down on the bottom string while muting the rest, but try and lightly place your hand on and making sure everything is nice and muted. The third thing is your strumming, specifically getting it up to speed and consistently keeping a 16th note pulse at high speeds. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to start at a tempo of 80 and play it with metronome and putting an accent on every quarter note, like this. 3, 4, Notice how all my notes are muted 100% nice and clean. Also, when you strum, try and use your elbow when doing the accent. And then for the rest of the strums in between, you can use mostly your wrist with a little bit of your elbow. So you're going like this. Notice how my elbow is lifting my hand and bringing it down harder for that accent on every quarter note pulse. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to start at 80 and then work your way up to 130 BPM. That's the goal here, doing it 10 BPM at a time. So let's now try it at 100 beats per minute. Grab your guitar and do this with me if you have it on hand. And that's it. Bear in mind, it doesn't matter where on the neck you place your fingers. Just make sure that all the notes are cleanly muted. And then eventually you want to be able to work your way up to 130 BPM, and it should sound like this. Cool, and that's it for this exercise. Thanks again for watching. Remember to click on the links below to download our tabs and notes that we've attached. Until next time, play hard.